Hey YouTube, I wanted to do another video review for you today. I've got my Echo chainsaw pruner out, and I've got a 3-foot extension here in the middle, and I just wanted to show you how easy this thing cuts through limbs. If you don't have one of these, this is a great product to have around the farm, around the house, and you can get a lot of work done with it. The chains for it are really inexpensive, and it's just a great tool. And I'll go ahead and show you how to go ahead and get it started. Well, it's cold, so once you get the engine warm, you find the limb that you want to cut. And I like starting out at the end, so when the limbs fall to the ground, they're already cut up and you're not having to fight through the pile with a chainsaw.
Pretty thick branch is cutting right now. Yes. Looks pretty easy. Whoa.
Yep, it works great. This is actually the power unit down here, and it comes apart. It's for the attachment, and you can put all different types of attachments on here. They've got hedge trimmers and chainsaw attachments. They've got the blower attachments, they've got edgers, they've got a little bit of everything. And like I said, this is a 3-foot extension to extend it out and make it longer, and they're priced really reasonable. I think the extension was like 40 bucks. I think the weed eater was roughly around 200, 220, and I actually found the chainsaw attachment. It was brand new. I got it for 100 bucks in a pawn shop. It had never even been used, and so you know, for under 500 bucks, you know, you can have a really nice setup, and you see that it cuts some pretty good size.
Oh yeah.
Limbs. I mean, so anyways guys, just wanted to do a quick video review on that, and go pick you up an Echo chainsaw pruner. Have a good one.